how to create a taxi booking website using WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can create a taxi booking website using WordPress. So let's get started. If you have a taxi booking service and you're looking to create your online website where your customers can book their taxi online, then you're at the right place because today I will show you how you can create your own website where people will be able to book their ride to your website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your WordPress, simply create a site, and we will actually add a plugin today that will help you create your own taxi booking feature. So you will simply open the dashboard for your website and then simply go to plugins. In plugins, I will go to add new, and then we will be able to add a taxi booking plugin to our WordPress website. So you will simply search for taxi booking, and this is where what you will get. We have a lot of plugins right here that allow us to add a ride booking feature. So I'm going to click on this one, install now, and then we will simply click on activate, and this one will be activated. So our taxi booking plugin has been activated, and you can see right here now we have all of different features. Let's start creating our own taxi booking website. So you will find the option of orders, vehicles, payment method, settings, and transitions. So let's go to vehicles first and let's add information in here. So this is where we will add different cars available for taxi booking, right? So I'm gonna click on add new, and then we will simply add the information. So we have this add a new car option. I'm gonna simply go ahead and show you all of the different options that you have to fill in. First of all, we have the title for the car. So let's go with SUV. Minimum passengers is going to be two or maybe one. Okay, one is minimum and maximum can be three. The maximum suitcases that you can bring with you is going to be two. Maximum child seats is going to be two. And then you have to add a child seat price. And if it's lower than the other one, and if it's a child seat, then you will actually have to add payment for that one as well. Then you have the car image where you will simply add the image of the car and you will upload from your computer. So you're going to simply click on upload file, select file, and upload the image of your car that you want to add, the taxi that you have. So I have this image right here, which is actually a Mercedes Benz, but I have this image on my WordPress, so we can use this image for now just as an example. You will simply upload the image that you have. Then we have additional car type, flat fee. We have minimum trip distance. Then we have flat fee if trip less than minimum distance. Then we have price per mile. Then we have charge per mile, and then we have description. So this is where you will add all of the information. Price per mile is actually a compulsory, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge. Let's go with $5 per mile. Then we have other information such as availability. So this one is available on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday, Sunday. Okay, 7 days. If you're not available on one of the days, you will simply uncheck the box and it will simply remove it. So if you're not available on Sunday, or maybe you're not available on Monday, you will simply uncheck it. But most of the time the taxi booking services are available 24/7, so you will simply add them right here. Now hours available, so how many hours that you want to go for, this is going to be available from to available to. So I am actually available. We start our services, so we are available from 5 a.m. to 2 a.m. like in the morning. So this is our timing, whatever timing you have. Let's say maybe on Sundays, or maybe on Sundays you're actually available from 12 to 12, so this is like 24 hours. Or maybe on Sunday you're not available that much, so you will simply reduce your time. So this depends totally on you. It's really amazing how you can create this very professional website of your own right here on WordPress, and this really helps you with everything. So you will simply click on save, and all of this information will be saved. This is how we add information when we are creating taxi booking websites. So now this information will be added to my website, of course, and then I will be able to you can see right here, this is an SUV. This is all the information that we have. It is available all day, and you can see right here, this is how it will look. Now whenever somebody will visit my website, they will be able to check it out. Let's go back to our taxi booking, and let's go to and add different payment methods to your website. So I'm going to click on add new, and it will allow us to add different payment methods. Now you have a title for your payment method. We have select a method, cash or PayPal. So you can actually go with cash or PayPal are available, or you can actually select any other method as well. I'm going to go ahead and add the title. This is going to be payment, and I'm going to go with cash, and I'm going to click on save. This will be saved. Let's go to orders, and let's edit some order information. So this is the order information. In here I will be able to check my orders, and this is where we first need to customize it. That this is where we will customize how someone will actually place an order and book their ride on my website. So they will add the name right here, email, phone, pickup date, pickup address, drop off address, passengers, suitcases, child seats, select car, where they will be able to select any car. You can see right here, they will able to get available cars from my website. Then we have price, payment name, and payment note as well. Then there is going to be a status, if it's accepted, rejected, or waiting. You will simply add all the information right here, and then you will simply click on save, and then it will be booked. A passenger will be booked right here. Let's say I have a passenger named Alex, so this ride is for Alex. I will add their email address right here and all the information. Click on save, and this ride will be saved for Alex. Of course, pickup address and drop off address is necessary to save, and email as well. Once you have added all the information, click on save, and you will be able to book a ride for Alex on your website that you have created on WordPress. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make a taxi booking website using WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.